I'm going to show you how to start selling digital products online using Canva and how to actually generate sales from your content. This is part 6 of the series, and today we are focusing on marketing, the part that turns views into money. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The secret to unlimited sales is understanding how sales really work and how marketing can help you make money even when you are not actively working. Once you understand this, selling digital products becomes much easier and more predictable. First, let me explain how this works and how you can apply it to your own digital product business. There are many ways to generate sales online, but in this video, I am only sharing the method I personally use. This is something that has worked for me for a long time, and I do not want you wasting time on strategies that look good but do not actually work. So here is the foundation. Before you can sell anything, you need to build an audience. Your audience is a group of people who trust you and are interested in what you create. Once you have that, selling becomes much easier. To build your audience, you need to create useful content. This can be tutorials, tips, free resources, or helpful information related to your niche. The goal is to give value first before asking for anything in return. But here is the important part. You cannot just post content and hope people figure things out. You need a call to action. In your content, especially videos, make sure you include a call to action at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Ask people to follow, like, comment, share, or subscribe. This helps boost engagement and helps your content reach more people. Once your audience starts growing, that is when you can begin promoting your digital products. At this point, you are no longer chasing customers. They are already paying attention to you. And remember this, when you are selling digital products, do not sell the product itself, sell the value and the results they will get from it. People do not buy products, they buy solutions. If you stay consistent with this, you will start seeing sales coming in every day with much less effort. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. So if you don't want to be in the same financial position next year, this is your sign to start a business in selling digital products online. You don't need to spend anything, just your time, effort, and consistency. If you learned something from this video, please leave a like and make sure to save this so you can always go back to it whenever you want. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.